Welcome back. It's now time for the Financial Week. One government minister says the state remains committed to a fair and transparent procurement process when it comes to the awarding of government contracts. The assurance was given at an inaugural procurement conference on Thursday. Kerry-Ann Simpson tells us more.
Fairness and accountability. Those are the essential prerequisites for those seeking to participate in the procurement process for government contracts. Over $60 million have been set aside for government contracts. Aubin Hill is Minister of Industry, Investments and Commerce.
The CPE policy seeks to secure value for money for Jamaican taxpayers and citizens. Value for money by promoting transparency and fair evaluation.
Speaking at the recent launch of the inaugural Elevate Procurement Conference, Mr. Hill said the policy is aimed at making it easier to do business.
We have people who we like and some we definitely don't like. And we try to interpret the policy to fit our likes and dislikes and our family and friends. Please, Jamaicans, let's not do that.
He is therefore urging those in authority to be fair in their part of the process.
Please, Jamaicans, play the game fair, especially if you're an authority. When somebody comes to me and wants, or it doesn't come to me, it goes through the process, comes up to me and they want to do scrap metal, they must do it the right way. They want to export something, don't find a way to block them because your uncle wants to export the same thing. Make sure the playing field is fair.
He also had this warning for prospective contractors.
If you have your family in a procurement place that is favoring you, it's a matter of time it's going to come out. Because somebody's going to talk, and the more we get transparent, the more the light shines on it.
Kerry-Ann Simpson, TVJ News.
To the foreign exchange market now. Trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $157.52. The Canadian dollar has been sold for $116.98. The pound is going for $197.86, while the euro is selling for an average $171.24. On the stock markets, the JSE index gained 807 points today, while the junior market index it gained 4 points. Among the 58 winners, T-Tech, Blue Power Group, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, and Caribbean Cream. The 38 losers were led by Epley 7.5% preference shares due 2024, 138 Student Living, Jamaican dollar shares, Paramount Trading Jamaica, Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, and Main Event Entertainment Group. Now 14 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they opened the trading. And that's it for the Financial Week. News from overseas is next.